Cardano is most certainly one of those undertakings that have fantastic possible beyond being a resource that gets exchanged for benefit, based on peer-evaluated scholastic exploration. Cardano has united areas of strength for it throughout the long term. Its specialized establishment and the desires of its group have made ADA one of the top cryptographic forms of money on the planet. We should investigate what the Cardano cryptographic money and venture are about and look at our ADA cost estimate for the next few years. If it's not too much trouble, remember that, similarly as with some other digital money, it is almost difficult to make a 100% exact Cardano cost estimate. We notice what least cost and greatest value ADA might possibly have in 1 year or the following 5 years. However, those are only our assessments. This video doesn't comprise speculation counsel. Cardano is the local badge of a proof-of-stake blockchain that goes by a similar name. The Cardano network was established in 2015 by Ethereum fellow benefactor Charles Hoskinson. Cardano establishment expresses that its definitive objective is to give pioneers and visionaries a stage that will assist them with making the world a superior spot. To achieve this, the Cardano group is building an interoperable and versatile multi-resource record with a stage for unquestionable brilliant agreement. The Cardano blockchain was intended to be a more productive choice to confirmation of work networks like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It has higher interoperability and adaptability potential and is likewise quicker, less expensive, and more supportable than POW blockchains. The Cardano environment runs on Ouroboros, the primary POS agreement convention that is unquestionably secure and, most importantly, is upheld by scholarly examination. Each change to the Cardano guide is peer-checked on and moored by an examination-based system, assuming that you might want to study this imaginative digital currency and the manner in which Cardano works, read this video or go to the Authority Cardano site. What is Cardano utilized for? Cardano was worked to enable the improvement of different decentralized applications, DeFi devices, tokens, and more in a maintainable and versatile way. Here are a portion of the things you can involve Cardano for, in no specific request. Create, send, and get local tokens and NFTs. Add metadata to exchanges to give them character and foundation. Use exchange metadata to approve and confirm any information, advanced records, or even actual articles. Set up and deal with your own marking pool on Cardano. Integrate the Cardano innovation into your current stages and sites. Create your own savvy contracts. Also, this is how you can manage your ADA tokens, other than exchanging them, obviously. Use your ADA to decide on administration proposition, especially those that circulate depository reserves. Stake ADA to acquire rewards. Cardano stays an unimaginably well-known digital currency regardless of having a great deal of contest. At the hour of composing, it is as yet one of the main 10 digital forms of money on the planet by market cap. Most Cardano value expectations are bullish on this coin. All things considered, it has every one of the signs of an effective crypto project, an extraordinary group, a steady local area, and a strong specialized establishment. There are likewise a few financial backers who became frustrated in this coin as they naturally suspect following through on its promises couldn't. Nonetheless, they appear to be a minority, and most hodlers accept that the future cost of ADA will surpass its past ATH. In the same way as other cryptographic forms of money, ADA has gone through a significant stretch of stagnation in 2019 to 2020. Later on, in any case, it flooded upwards, getting more than the $3 mark at its top in late 2021. ADA's cost activity reflects that of the remainder of the crypto market. It went to the moon during the alt season in mid-2018, shot up during the market blasts of Right on Time in late 2021, and has had a brief time of cost development in WAC 2022. Not at all like numerous other conspicuous coins and tokens. ADA's typical cost in 2022 turned out to be lower than its base throughout the mid-year of 2021. The bear market that followed the market blast in November 2021 has impacted Cardano more than the other top cryptographic forms of money. This could be an indication that financial backers have begun getting some distance from the coin. Its exchanging volume has likewise gone down. Be that as it may, it actually appears to hold sufficient premium to follow anything market blast will come straight away. Presently, we should investigate our own ADA coin cost expectation. Cardano value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Cardano costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Cardano will be 32 cents. The greatest level that the ADA cost can reach is 35 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 33 cents. ADA value conjecture for November 2022. In light of the value variances of Cardano toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 33 cents in November 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 30 cents and at 34 cents. Separately, December 2022, Cardano Value Gauge. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the ADA cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 32 cents, while the greatest could reach 35 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Cardano may be around 33 cents. Cardano Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Cardano in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Cardano will be around 46 cents. The most extreme expected ADA cost might be around 57 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 48 cents in 2023. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Cardano, in 2024, ADA is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 66 cents and 81 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 68 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of Cardano and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base ADA cost could drop to 96 cents, while its greatest can reach $1.17. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 99 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Cardano by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ADA costs are normal in 2026, $1.71 and $1.47. Overall, it will be exchanged at $1.51. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Cardano. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical ADA cost will be around $2.28. It could drop to at least $2.20. Yet it actually could reach $2.54 all through 2027. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Cardano. It is assessed that ADA will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $3.16 and $3.90 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $3.27 during the year. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. Digital money investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Cardano's cost. The year 2029 not set in stone by the most extreme ADA cost of $5.47. In any case, its rate could drop to around $4.53. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $4.67. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Cardano cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their ADA cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for somewhere around $6.42, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $7.69. By and large, you can anticipate that the ADA cost should be around $6.65 in 2030. Cardano Value Forecast 2031. Digital currency investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Cardano's cost. The year 2031 not entirely settled by the greatest ADA cost of $11.46. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $9.06.